YouTubers, just wanted to do another video on my Nadex trade today. I did a euro dollar trade. It's a trade I learned at Steve's Trading Club, and I'll put a link in it if I remember. I just want to give you an update. I did the euro dollar part 1 trade today, and I won it by about, I think, 9 pips. When I first put it on, it looked like I wasn't going to make it, but I did. Oh man, the sun's out. Anyways, he offers, if you sign up, he gives you the part 1 part of the trade for free, and if you sign up, you can do the part 2. As it happens today, you couldn't do the part 2, but I did the part 1. And what's kind of surprising to me is I've done the part 1 quite a few times when the part 2 wasn't really part of the day, and it turned out actually pretty good. And I was just letting people know if they want to try the service, you get the part 1 for free, and you can make a few bucks. It doesn't come up too often, but when it does, you can make some money. Then this is just kind of an update on my, I signed up with Trader Marketplace bot, which is Joaquin Trading. They have a service where they give you binary option signals, and they give you forex signals. I mostly use it for the forex signals, but the binary signals work pretty well too. A lot of times what I do is I trade the out of the money stuff, which is you can get for 20 bucks or less, and you get quite a nice payout, but you get the win rate's a lot lower, so you have to pay, like I said, 20 or under, depending on what the win rate is. As long as you can stick to your discipline, you'll make money over time. Anyways, on the currency signals, I've been making out really well. I upped my trade size, and I increased my account balance, so it's worked out actually pretty good. I'll put a link to them in the description. It's also a affiliate link, so if stuff like that annoys you, just disregard it. Oh wow, my eyes are messed up. Anyways, they come out, the Traderbot forex signals come out at 4 a.m. and 10 a.m. I've been having better luck with the 4 a.m. recently than the 10 a.m. But when they come out and when they work really well. And over time, I've been with them for a couple months now. I've accumulated quite a nice account size, so their signals work, and they work really well. And they have different strategies you can use to trade them. And they have software, where you can trade them. And you don't have to just trade one strategy. They have quite a few different strategies depending on your tolerance for risk and just what kind of trader are you. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Had another really nice day today with Steve's Trading Club as far as the buy simple trading strategies. And just want to encourage people, if you're sitting on the sidelines and you're looking for a way to make some income. In my case, I live outside the U.S., so it's nice to make income online, and you don't have to use a lot of your day, and you just put the trade on the same time every day whenever they come up, and it's just set and forget. Whereas at Trader Marketplace bot or Joaquin Trading, you can do that too, but they also have a strategy where you can scalp if that's what you want to do. Sometimes I scalp, and sometimes I just do set and forget. It just depends on your personality. With Nadex trades, you can put a take profit, but you can't put a limit order in. Well, you can put a limit order in, but you can't. Yeah. Well, anyways, I won't get into that. Anyways, you can't really put I should just edit that out, but I won't. Anyways, it's a little different as far as stop loss, take profit, as opposed to trading currency pairs. And for the most part, I like trading currency pairs. I also like trading on Nadex. Nadex, you can put on one contract or a few contracts, and if you want, you can trade on Cantor Exchange, but there's just not a lot of liquidity. For what I do, it doesn't work out too well, but for the euro dollar trades, it works out pretty well. You can put on $1, $2, $3, whatever you want. That's the payout as $1, so usually I have at the money or a little bit out of the money. As it happens today, I got out of the money, and so I had a nice little profit, but I only put on 2 contracts. It's only like $1.20 or 30 or whatever it is. Can't remember what I paid, but if you like set and forget, and if you like trading signals, and if you like binary option signals, check out Steve's Trading Club. I'll put the link in the description. Also check out Joaquin Trading, which is Trader Marketplace. That's where they actually sell you the signals. And I'll put the link in there. And if you're interested, check them out. It works for me. It works for me because I don't have to spend all day at the computer, I can just put in my my signals at 4 a.m. and 10 a.m. And then for the My Simple Trading Strategy, which is Steve's club, those don't come up too often, but when they come up, I just put them in there and wait an hour. And some of them are just an hour trades, and some of them are at the end of the day. You have to wait till the end of the day. But Steve's My Simple Trading systems have about 70 to 80% win rate on some signals. Others, it can go down to 62%. If you're buying the money, you can get that up a little bit, and some are, I think, 57%, depending on what day it is, and you can get that in again just buying in the money a little bit and put a limit order in. Anyhow, thanks for listening. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think.